guys, Sam Lays and Sam with our Tech, and I'm going to be showing you how to install WhatsApp on your mobile phone. So this will apply to an iPhone, the Apple device, and Android, so an Android phone. But before we continue, all your pins are my own. I pay for the system, programs and software with my own funds, and I've been sponsored for a video. So let's continue, and I'll show you how to install WhatsApp on your mobile phone. Okay, so now I'm on my mobile phone. So this is running Android 7. It's a spare phone I've got lying around at home with a spare number, but that's alright. So what you need to do is to go to the App Store if you're on an iPhone, but if you're on Android, go to Google Play Store. Now in here, at the top, search up WhatsApp. Now since you're on WhatsApp, since you search for WhatsApp, select install. If you're on an iPhone, it might come up with a cloud icon if you already installed the app before. Now select open. On some devices, when you download the app, it may do a virus scan before you can open the app. Agree and continue. Now please type in your number. I'm using a spare number, which is an Austrian number, but it's the same for your own country. You may need to change your area code, let's say your plus AAO Bangladesh, or your +1 for the US, Bermuda, North America. So I'm +43 for this number, Austria. So I'm going to say, type in the number. Alright. Now, hit next. Okay. Now, now wait for a notification. I have to go to your SMSs to get the verification code. But since this device, this phone, WhatsApp read the SMSs automatically, it was able to do it. Now it's saying, would I like to back up? You would say no. Yes, but in my... Now type in your name. Now add a photo if you want. I don't need to. Next. Now on here. Now it might ask you to verify to your contacts. So just say settings. And then try and find the option, or if it pops up, great, for contact reading. Now in here, you go to permissions. Alright, so now there's access to my device. And over here, I've installed WhatsApp on my mobile phone. So that's how you install WhatsApp on your mobile phone. It's pretty straightforward. Doesn't take long to install and set up. You do need to have a valid mobile phone number. As I may have mentioned during the video, it only supports one device at a time. But anyway, I'm Sam. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this video helped, and see ya.